ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Know the Guru to be Brahma himself. He is Vishnu, he is also Shiva. Know him to be the supreme Brahma and offer thy adoration unto that peerless Guru. I feel honored to speak on behalf of senior KG parents. We as parents feel proud to our children admitted to this prestigious school. Though we have known this school since long time, but many of us have the children admitted for the first time. With all apprehension and expectation, parents go to the school with the children. But as days pass by, these children have befriended many, playing with them, learning together with them, under the affectionate but watchful eyes of the teachers and staff. There is a definite stream of discipline, guidance, support and love flowing during the school time, in which our children become receptive to the environment and the teacher, inquisitive about the new thing which they love, and are happy with their newfound abilities. Thanks to principal, teachers and staff of pre-nursery school who are untiringly honing skills in the pupils. Telling you very frankly that in our first parents meeting in this very auditorium, we were bewildered by the thought of managing so many curricular and co-curricular activities. But as time passed by, most activities were done very smoothly, resulting in our children being better performers in all spheres. Their involvement, confidence, personality, focus and interest increased. We as parents were also very happy by seeing the overall improvement in our children. We appreciate your one-to-one involvement in our children and also your timely guidance too, we parents as well. I couldn't resist in quoting few lines from the letter of Abraham Lincoln, who wrote to his son's teacher. Teach him, if you can, the wonder of books, but also give him quiet time to ponder over the eternal mystery of birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and flowers on the green hillside. आप किताबें पढ़ने के लिए तो कहिएगा ही, पर साथ ही उसे आकाश में उड़ते पक्षियों को, धूप में तितलियों को, हरे भरे मैदानों में फूलों को निहारने की याद भी दिलाते रहिएगा. In school, teaching, it is far more honorable to fail than to cheat. मैं मानता हूँ कि स्कूल के दिनों में ही उसे यह बात सीखनी होगी कि नकल करके पास होने से फेल होना अच्छा है. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas, even if anyone tells him they are wrong. किसी बात पर उसे चाहे गलत कहे, पर अपनी सच्ची बात पर कायम रहने की हुनर उसमें होनी चाहिए. Teach him to learn to lose and also to enjoy winning. आप उसे हार की मर्यादा को भी सिखाए और जीत की खुशी मनाना भी सिखाए. Teach him, if you can, that $1 earned is far more valuable than 5 found. आप उसे यह भी सिखाइए कि मेहनत से कमाया गया 1 रुपया सड़क पर मिलने वाले 5 रुपये से ज़्यादा कीमती होता है. Steer him away from envy, if you can. अगर हो सके, आप उसे बताइएगा कि दूसरों से जलन की भावना अपने मन में ना लाए. Teach him, if you can, how to laugh when he is sad. आप उसे बताना मत भूलिएगा कि उदासी को किस तरह प्रसन्नता में बदली जा सकती है. Treat him gently, but do not cuddle him, because only the test of fire makes fine steel. आपका व्यवहार उसके साथ नर्म हो, परंतु इतना नर्म ना हो कि वह बिगड़ जाए, क्योंकि लोहे का गुण आग में तपने के बाद ही आता है. With this, I must end here, thanking pre-nursery principal once again for this great opportunity given to me. Thank you.